Investing $40,000 offers numerous opportunities depending on your financial goals, your risk tolerance, and investment horizon. The first step is to define what you're investing for, whether it's retirement, a major purchase, or growing your wealth for the long term. Diversifying your investments is a key strategy to reduce risk and maximize potential returns. For those with a higher risk tolerance and a long-term focus, investing in the stock market might be a good option. That's what I do. You can consider individual stocks, index funds, or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which provide exposure to a wide range of companies or industries. Index funds in particular are often recommended for those they're recommended for their low fees and broad market exposure. Then you got real estate. It's another solid investment option. You could put part of your funds towards purchasing a rental property which can generate passive income. I don't like dealing with people, so I go with stocks, but it's up to you. Alternatively, real estate investment trusts offer a way to invest in property without directly owning it. So that's good. If you're seeking more conservative options, bonds or bond funds provide stability and regular income through the returns generally that are lower compared to stocks. So you may want to consider setting up a retirement account like an IRA or a 401k to take advantage of tax benefits. Now finally, make sure to maintain an emergency fund, consider consulting a financial advisor, because that'll ensure that your investment choices align with your overall strategies. I got a good Christian guy, and that's why I trust him. And it's been going well for the last 2 years. Let's keep it going, yeah?